Hello guys, welcome to Social Zebra. My name is Nimit Mehta. So in this video, we're gonna discuss about the advantages of using Google My Business. So what is Google My Business exactly? Google My Business is nothing but a global platform which allows local businesses to list themselves. So once your Google My Business registered, or maybe if your Google My Business verified, you are eligible to appear on Google's Map platform or Google Search platform. Guys, let's start with the advantages of using Google My Business. So, Google processes more than 70,000 search queries every second worldwide. Google has more than 98% of all search engine traffic, and 46% of all product research starts with Google. So that means if you're looking to buy a new car, or maybe you're looking to buy a new phone, the first thing you do is you go to Google and look out for reviews and videos and articles regarding the product that you're looking for. That means all of your customers are on Google. Everybody's there. So why shouldn't you be there? So guys, let's move on to the second advantage. Google My Business profile is absolutely free. Yes, you've heard it right. So not only do you get a Google My Business profile, you also do get a free website. Yes, you get an absolutely free website, and you get a 2000 rupee free ad voucher as well along with this. So supposing if you're looking at making a very flashy website on Wix, or maybe if you're looking at WordPress, and if you don't have that kind of knowledge, then this definitely does the job for you. So why shouldn't you use? You should definitely use it. So what happens is Google wants you to have a holistic online personality. So no, they want you to have a Google My Business profile. They want you to have a free website, and along with that, they also want you to integrate the social media. So they also want you to have a very good Facebook business page listing as well. So what it does is it gives Google more it gives Google more confidence, and it also gives the searcher more confidence about your listing. So that's what Google wants. Google wants the search result to be filled with confidence and filled with relevancy and authenticity. So that's why you should definitely use all these tools to your advantage. And regarding the 2000 rupee ad voucher, that you should definitely use it. I mean, why shouldn't you? I mean, then the moment you use it, you'll realize what Google is all about, how Google can give you very relevant leads for your business, for your sales as well. Now let's move on to advantage number 3. Google, along with Facebook or any of these big guys, they give your business a professional look. So if you have an updated profile, so for example, even if you have a professional looking social media profile, for example, a Facebook business profile, along with the Google My Business profile, what it does is it gives your brand a very unique personality, a very good online personality. It aids to that. So for example, if you do have a professional listing, what happens is your customers, if they look at your listing, they'll definitely get impressed. Maybe they're not looking to buy something right now, maybe after a month or maybe after a couple of months, when they're looking to buy something in your category, that will ring a bell with them. The profile will ring a bell. They will realize that, okay, this guy had a very nice professional listing. Maybe he's good at what he does. Maybe his service is superior than the others. So he might come to you and it might end up in a sale. So everything doesn't depend on a direct sale, but what it does is it aids the customers. It gives them more confidence in your particular product, or it gives you confidence in your particular service, and it can be definitely beneficial for you. So Google My Business does that. And in the scheme of things, Google really rates Google My Business very highly right now. So as you know, the number one revenue driver for Google is Google Ads. And once the Google My Business profile takes off, I mean, right now it's still in the nascent stage. I mean, many people are using it, but not many people are aware of it. So when it grows, people are going to use it to advertise. So it's very important for Google as well. So if you list your service right now, Google will definitely advertise it right now for free. Maybe in the later stage, maybe it might have a small subscription charge. You never know. So that is the advantage number 4. Guys, I just wanted to show you the Google search results, the Google activity on my profile. So it's been around 15 days since we have registered ourselves on this particular platform, and as you can see, it has already got more than 950 views. The activity is also fine. The pages that I have uploaded, the photos that I've uploaded have also got decent views. And Google has redirected many of the potential customers to my website as well, which I really want. I want a lot of traffic on our website. So Google is working for me. It is absolute. What Google wants in return is just to have a very accurate and honest listing, and that what we have done. We have filled up all the details with absolute honesty and accuracy, and Google has acknowledged that, and it's rewarding us by uh, by giving us decent views on our listing. Now guys, you must be thinking that okay, I'm gonna register myself with Google My Business and I will see my sales just doubling and tripling in the near time. But actually it doesn't work that way. This is a very slow process. And when you hear about the name Google, you think about trust. So whenever you list yourselves on Google, Google doesn't just start advertising your brand or starts showing it to other people overnight. What it does is it takes a lot of signals from your website, from your business, from all over the web. It looks out for mentions, it looks out for citations, it looks out for your name, address, phone number. Everything has to be, I mean, it should tick the right boxes. And for that we feel that you should go to a professional agency for this particular thing. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, then please like it, and if you think we can improve in some way, then please comment in the comment section. Thank you so much. Thank you.